12th standard English grammar, degrees of comparison. Now we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. We have three types. First one is positive, second one is comparative, and third one superlative. Okay, just we have to learn through the tabular column as positive, comparative, superlative. Okay. First type, just clue word as hyphen, that's an adjective, as, and not so, adjective, as. Okay, the first type positive, as, adjective, as, otherwise not so, adjective, as. Okay, the comparative degree first type, not, adjective, that's ear than, if we have as, just we have to make it, we change into positive comparative, not an adjective ear than. Next, the first type, here, last, this is adjective, ear than. There is no superlative. The first type, there is no superlative. Second type, no other, so as. The comparative degree, than any other, superlative degree second type, the est. For example, taller than any other, taller, okay, than any other. Superlative, the est, the tallest, the greatest, okay, any one adjective, the est. Hyphen, that is an adjective, est. Okay, so this is second type. The third type, very few, as, than many other. The second type comparatively than any other. Here, than many other. Superlative degree, the third type, one of the dash est, that is adjective est. One of the est. Again I repeat, we have three types: positive, comparative, superlative. The first type, as, adjective, as. If we have the comparative degree negative, not, adjective ear than. Otherwise, if we have here positive first type, not, okay, not so, adjective as, just we have to make it adjective ear than. That's all. So comparative to positive, comparative we can change. We can't change first type superlative. There is no superlative first type. Second type, no other, so, adjective, as. The beginning of the sentence, no others. If you have it, thus we can identify the positive degree. Then so, adjective, as. Comparative degree, than any other. Just we have to make it than any other. The superlative degree, the hyphen, that is adjective est. Very few, as, adjective, as. If we have very few, as, adjective, as, that is positive. Third type, when you change into comparative and superlative, what do you want to make it? Than many other. Than many other. Here superlative, one of the est, that is an adjective. Tallest, biggest, greatest, smallest. Okay, so you have to make it. Okay, let us see that examples. Rahim is as tall as Raja. Okay, just we have to identify that first which types. We have three types. Actually, these are comparison. Whether it is positive or comparative superlative. First, we have to identify. This is positive as. Adjective as. Okay, so this is positive degree. So which types? First type as according to the rule, just we have to recall as, adjective as. Okay, so this is first type. Okay, now we want to change comparative degree. Raja is not taller. What did you learn? According to the rule, just we have to apply here. Raja is not taller than, what is here? Rahim. Raja is not taller than Rahim. Okay. Here, Rahim is as tall as Raja. Raja is not taller than Rahim. Okay. If we have comparative, this is comparative, this is positive. If we have comparative, when you change into positive, just we have to make it. Rahim is as tall as, because this is first type, so not taller than. So this is a rule. So what we have learned, just we have to apply as, adjective as. Okay, next one. One more examples. Priya is so not so great as Geeta. For example, okay, just we have to identify that this is which text, first type, whether it is positive or comparative. Positive. Now we want to change comparative. As I told you, first type there is no superlative. Okay. How to change comparative? This is positive. Geeta is greater than Priya. Geeta is greater than Priya. Okay, greater than. So first type. So here not so greatest. So this is first type. As one type. Not so adjective as one type. This first type. Both also first type. Then how to change? That's all. Greater than Priya. Geeta is greater than Priya. That's all. So first type is over. Okay. Let us see the second type now. No other leader is so great as Gandhi. For example, no other leader is so great as Gandhi. Okay, no other. Okay, so adjective as Gandhi. Okay, here this is second type, whether it is positive or comparative or superlative. Just we can make it. This is positive degree, second type. Now we want to change comparative and superlative. Both, anyone we can change. If you want to change comparative, we can change. If you want to change superlative, we can change easily. Okay, according to the rule, we have to apply. No other leader is so great as Gandhi. Okay, now we want to change comparative. Gandhi is greater. Gandhi is greater than any other leaders. Many other leaders, that is third type comparative. But this is comparative degree only we want to change. But here second type. Gandhi is greater than any other leader. Any other leader. So this is second type comparative. Okay. The same sentence want to change superlative. How do you change? Gandhi is greater than any other leader. So this is second type comparative. Gandhi is the greatest leader. What I have said, the second type, the est. So the Gandhi is the greatest leader. Clear? Gandhi is the greatest. The adjective plus est. So this is second type superlative.